Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. So look what arrived at our house today, you guys. That's right, HelloFresh arrived at our house. So remember, this is not a sponsored video. A wonderful, lovely person won a box of 3 meals for 2 adults and they gifted it to us. So they won a contest and then forwarded the gift to us. So we were excited to receive it. I have been running, doing a lot with trying to get my mom squared away, and I'm just getting back from a workshop. I was away about 2 hours, 2.5 hours away. I drove home 2.5 hours today, and then I had to take Tran home another hour and a half, and then back. It's 9 p.m., you guys, and I'm just getting home. But HelloFresh was delivered to our house. It was delivered right to the door. I picked today because I knew I was coming home. I didn't realize it would be this late, but I'm praying that this will go very quickly. So I'm going to open up this box of HelloFresh and share with you what is on the inside. Okay, you guys, so when you open up the box, it's a pretty nice size box, but it comes fully insulated. There's this looks like insulation inside of plastic. It's pretty thick. And so that is all around the box. And then it comes in with, so there's like a referral program. And what happens is we have a link down in our description box below. If you click on that link and you order HelloFresh, it'll give you $40 off of the 3 meals for 2 adults. If you pick that plan, it's like getting the meals for $20. And then that gives us a credit as well for our family. The only way that we can do HelloFresh is if we get referral credit. So right now, I'm just skipping weeks and moving along. If for some reason I see that we need it with my mom and everything, and it is within our budget, then I will go ahead and do a week. But for right now, we're just, this week came free. I've skipped next week and the next week because I'm getting my mom next week, and probably would be good to have some meals, but it's not in the budget. I did not budget for it. And again, being debt free now that I've paid off my student loan does not free up money for this. It's going to go, we're now starting, well, I have to save up for some expenses and things. So anywho, this is just one of those colorful things about sharing it with your family. Let's see. These are just some perks that you can get. Oh, we have Mother's Day, $15 off of an order of $30 or more. So that looks good. This is like a, for Mother's Day gift. They give you $15 off of $30 if you want to do some berries. And then some other things. So these are just perks, or just probably like gift card or discount things that comes in the box. It's all very lovely. Okay, so we ordered the 3 meals for 2 adults, and of course there are 3 of us, but we're going to split these. So the first meal we ordered was the Sirloin Carne Asada tacos, and we are going to use the Carb Manager app. The Carb Balance at taco shells, or the tortillas for the kids. I don't eat tortillas for any reason. But that was one meal. Then we ordered the saucy steak thyme meal. And then we got the roasted pork sirloin. So this is going to be our Sunday meal. And then the thyme steaks is going to be our Monday meal. So this is how we're doing it tonight. We're doing the Sirloin Carne Asada tacos. So I like those cards. And then it gives you all of the directions on the back of how to do it. And this is helpful. Prep is 10 minutes. Takes a total of 25 minutes, and it's 580 calories altogether. Of course, I'm not going to eat one of those taco things, so less calories for me. Okay, you do get a ice pack. So we're going to just use that again probably, because that's a big one. And then it comes with, this sits underneath so that the ice pack doesn't melt on the food. And then it comes in 3 bags. Each bag for each meal. So that's the saucy thyme steak. This is the roast tenderloin. And then this is the carne asada tacos. And then, okay, that must be the ingredients because there's another big block of ice here. All right, so let's see. That's a sirloin. So let's see what this is. Tenderloin, and this is beef steak. Okay, so this is what we're going to use for the tacos. This is the meat for tacos, and then there is a tenderloin, and then there is a sirloin. So we actually do need to get these in the freezer. We actually really do need to get those in the freezer. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to get started on the meal. Okay, you guys, so here are the things that are inside of the bag. So I'm going to pull these out. There are the tortillas. This is cilantro. You also get a poblano pepper. You get sour cream and white wine vinegar. Okay, and you get some Southwest spice blend. That's a tablespoon. You get a shallot and you get a tomato. So remember that this meal is for 2 adults. So this should feed 2 adults. The one thing I will tell you that I like right off the bat is this is all portion control, because what is here should feed 2 adult people. Normally when we cook a lot of food, and I use 3 or 4 tomatoes and 2 or 3 shallots, and you know what I'm saying? And these are 6-inch flour tacos, which of course we're not going to use these. We'll use the carb balanced one. But again, this is the perfect size if serving sizes are an issue for you. So I'm going to put that to the side. I'm going to start working with these ingredients using my cooking card. And hopefully it will come out exactly like this. So we will see.
Vinegar. White wine vinegar.
It's over here.
For 2 people or 4 people?
It's right here.
No. I would make them for 2 or 4.
4.
Because it's 5 for 2 and 10.
Should be about packed.
HelloFresh has
Oh,
a
it's so
little
good.
vinegar.
Alrighty, you guys, so there it is. That's their picture of the Carne Asada tacos, steak tacos. And then this is our picture of the Sirloin Carne Asada tacos. So we only got 2, but these carb balance wraps are larger than the 6-inch ones that they had. So I just made the kids a large taco, and then mom has a little bit just on a regular plate. I don't eat tomatoes, so I don't have tomatoes on mine, but I put some of the salsa relish and the southwestern. This was a little bit of southwestern crema, sour cream, and then some special seasonings, and then a little water to thin it out. And there it is. This is our very first HelloFresh meal, and we're going to enjoy this. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure and give us a thumbs up. Be sure and let us know if you try HelloFresh, and if you would like to try it, click down in the description box below. We do have a referral link down there. Again, that will give you $40 off of the 3 meals for 2 adults. This is 3 meals for 2 adults, and we are feeding 2 kids and 1 mom. So plenty for us here. So it gives, the one thing I love is serving sizes, because sometimes we don't always understand serving size. So if I had to measure and say, okay, this was 1 serving, then we are good, because we've used up all the meat, we've used up all the veggies, and that is what we have. So anywho, thank you guys so much for stopping by. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. Don't forget the bell. And again, if you want the link, it's down below. We'll see you next time. Bye now.